In today's Doric virtual religious service, we'll be reading from musical composition 83, followed by Paul's letter to the Philippians. We'll begin with a prayer from musical composition 83, or Psalm 83. A master rolls o'er his enemies, an ode and a composition to Asaph. Almighty, who is like to you? Ye should nae haud your waste, nor soothe Almighty. For behold, your enemies second. For behold, your enemies sounded. On the ains detesting ye raise their heed. Counter your folk they deal treacherously in design. On they consult counter your purines. They said, Come, for we should utterly connaught them, fae out of the nations, for in nae wise should the name o Israel be mined ony longer. For they consulted in concord together, they ordained a covenant counter ye. In the tents o the Edomites, on the Ishmaelites, o Moab, on the Hagarites, Gebal, on Ammon, on Amalek, a Philistines, wi the ains biding in Tyre. For e'en also Assyria come together wi them. They become an assistance to the sons of Lot. Be to them as to Midian, and to Sisera, and to Yabin at the Russian burn Kishon. They were utterly connaught in Endor. They become as Sharn for the earth. Mock their rollers as Oreb and Zeb, and Zeba and Zalmunna, all their rollers. Ains who said, we should err a pure place Almighty for ourselves. My Almighty, mock them a raven win, as stibble again a dish o win. As ingle low, fit will brun up a forest, as the low fit incinerates mountains. Say you will pursue them in your flan, and in your anger you will stramish them. Fill up their dishes wi dishonor, and they will seek your name, Master. Let them be shamed and stramished into all time, and let them find remorse, and be connaught, and let them ken at the name to you is a Master. You alone are highest o'er all the earth. And now we'll read from Paul's first letter, or rather his letter to the Philippians. For Paul and Timothy, as servants of Jesus Nitatin, to all Almighty's folk biding in Philippi, unto bishops and deacons mercy to you, and peace for Almighty our Father, and for Master Jesus Nitatin. I thank my Almighty ilka time I think of you. Ilka time I pray for you, I'm fair shooted we mysel, 'cause my prayers bring to mind fu we work it together for a good send for very first. I'm rail sure at the een fa started his good work in you will hard to afore we it till a day of Jesus Nitatin. It's a bit natural at I should feel like this about ye all, 'cause when I was I the jail, as well as when I was out, defending and confirming a good send, ye shared a mercy Almighty together. Almighty kens fu I'm longing for ye, wi a deepest love o Jesus Nitatin, and I pray at ye mith hae even mair love, a love for learning an insect. Say ye myth talk we all as greed and myth be sincere, and ken fits best till a day o' Jesus nitateen. Sign you'll be full o' greedness, brought on be poor at Jesus gies ya, te praise on a stem o Aul Mither. New friends, I want ye to understand at the work o' a greed send has been helped on befit his happened to me. The fact at I was jailed for talking we nitateen is weel kent be a palace gerd, on all a tither folk hereabouts. On a fair few, o were folkies here, talk hert in a meester be a fact at in the jail and spik out the word o a meester o a mare. Of course, some of them preach nitateen 'cause they're jealous, and din reason. But the few are preaching him in a great faith, and they're doing it through their love of me. But the din reason chills are trying to steer me up and mock things all worse for me. Fit does it matter? A why or another, a fact remains at the nitateen is being preached. Whether sincerely or nay, and that makes me real weel shooted. Aye, and I'll be weel shooted too, 'cause I can find at the comeuppance will be for my ain greed, 'cause you're praying for me and holding on o a spirit o Jesus nitateen. It all ties in wi' my ain wants and hopes, at I should never be affronted. At the new, as for I should honor nitateen as ye like, be a why I ging about, and whether I be alive or dead, 'cause to me, to be alive just means nitateen, and gin I die, I'll hae all a mair o' him. I can find at the work I've started means I maun keep on living in this world. But I dinna ken fit to die. I'm renting twa. I would like find to die and be with the nitateen. That's the best thing. But on the other hand, it's better for youings at abide here in a world. Is I ken for certain. I'll bide on a filey wi' ye and hold on, gone for it, in the joy of faith. Say at fan I'm amo ye again, ye'll hae all a mair risen to be proud o' me in your life wi' a nitateen. See at ye act in a way at's becoming o a greed send o a nitateen. Say at gin I come and see ye or gin I bide awa, I'm with here about fit your dean. At your holding fast till the spirit. We mind striving together for a faith o a greed send, and nae gin a dockin for your fays. A very fact at their your fays is plain proof at their lost to Aul Mither, and we them as fays it maun be clear at you yourselves are saved be Aul Mither. You're gain a privilege, nae just a believing in a nitateen, but a suffering wi' him for his sake. We are all teen up a same fecht. Ye saw me fechting it afore, and as ye hear, am I fechting it yet. Chapter 2. Nu gin your life in a nitateen steer your heart. Gin it gie ye loving consolation. Gin ye've kent something o' the fellowship o' his spirit, and all that means in couthiness and compassion, ye'll mak all my hopes for ye come true. Love een another, be all a mind and a spirit. There maun be nae room for striving bigziness amo ye. But ye maun think ilka ither chiel as better nor yoursel. Dinna just think o' your ain affairs, but see things fae a tither chiel's pint of view. The attitude ye should hae is the same as a Nitateen himself took. He aye hid a netter Aul Mither, but he didna think to strive to be upside down wi Aul Mither. Instead, o' his ain free will, he gied up all 'at he hid and took on a pairt o' feed man. Talking in human form, he humbled himself, but deeing just fit he was telt, aye, even to vera death. Death on a stake. Sae Aul Mither raised him up till a heekest place there is, and gied him a name abeen all names. And not the name o' Jesus, ilka knee will bow, in heaven, in earth, and in a place aneth. And ilka tongue will confess at Jesus en Nitateen is meester, to stem Aul Mither e Father. Say then, my friends, as ye've aye deemed fit of telt ye, mair say fun am awa fae ye nor fun I was wi ye. Ye maun be even mair willing to work out your ain salvation wi a guid sense of fear and trembling. 'Cause it's Aul Mither fa's working in o' ye, gien ye a will and a poor to win his way. Do all 'at ye have to do without grumbling or argy-bargying, so ye may be Aul Mither's bairns, blameless, sincere, and halesome, biding as ye div in a gizent on a calm steery contra, shining out to a warl like bonny licks, holding out the word o' life, so ye can gie me something to be proud o' in a day o' a Nitateen, 'cause then I'll ken I didna chav for naething. Aye, but gin my life bleed is poured out on a sacrifice and offering at your faith means to Aul Mither, syne I'll still be contented, and I compare out my happiness wi ye all, just the same way as ye'll be contented wi his tea, and compare out your happiness wi me. I hope a Master Jesus willing to send Timothy till ye or long. It'll cheer me up to hear your news for him. I have nae ither body 'at cares about fu your doing. They've all seem to be ta'en up wi their ain affairs, and dinna care a dockin for a work o' Jesus en Nitateen. But ye ken a worth o' him, working wi me, like a loon wi his Father, for a guid send. Say I'm hoping to send him till ye or long, just as soon as I see fu things are gone wi me. But Aul Mither gies me some hope at I mith be wi ye or long mysel tee. I thought I'd better send were brither Ephroditus till ye. He's workit wi me and faukin along wi me, sent as he was be your ains to look after my wints. He's been a bitty hamesick, and was worried 'at ye'd heard he was nae weel. Aye, guy nae weel he was tee, near han awa he was. But Aul Mither had mercy on him, and on me tee, to haud fae biggin a sorrow on anither. Say I'm all a mair anxious to send him till ye, say 'at ye'll be glad fun ye see him, and kennin' o' your happiness will lichten my sorrows. Gie him a welcome, syne, wi joy as a brither in the Master. Ye should respect chiels like him, Dien en Nitatin's work near Han killed him. He risked his life to gi'ma a help he couldna gi'ma. Chapter 3. Hein meester all, my friends, rejoice in the meester. It's nae a muckle hindrance to me to tell ye is, and I've telt ye afore, and it'll be a safeguard to ye. Watch out for it takes. It cards at mon cut the body. Just hae mind, we are a circumcised when we worship Almighty by a spirit, and we fin our joy in Jesus and Nitatin, and have nae confidence in fit we are i' the flesh. I could pit my trust in sick-like things, and gin ony chiel thinks he meth hae confidence in sick things, I have even mair. I'm a yow, circumcised on my 8th day, o' the clan of Benjamin, a yow through and through, and a Pharisee forby, when it come to keeping the law. In my zeal, I tyrannized the Doric accordings, and as far as holding up a law is concerned, nae man could hae found fault wi' me. But ilka thing at was to my gain was tent for a Nitatin. I look on all mortal thing as loss for buys, a wonderful gain o' kenning Jesus and Nitatin, my meester, for fa I've suffered a loss o' all thing, and count all I've tent nae more nor sharn, gin I mith win to a Nitatin. 'Cause new my place is in him, nae haein my ain righteousness in a law, but Almighty has gi'en me a highest righteousness through faith in a Nitatin. Now all I'm seeking is to ken a Nitatin, and a power o' his resurrection, to share in his suffering, and to die as he did. Say I myth, Abel's win, as he did, resurrection fair deed. I'm nae saying 'at I'm perfect, nor have I won till this already, but I just chav awa talking hard o' it fit a Nitatin eens took hard o' for me. Them amos I ta'en wi' a spirit, be all o' a mind. And gin ye think different, Almighty will make all things clear for ye. Still and on, let's hard for it, in the same gate as we've deen up to new. Lot ma be your example, my loons and quines. Lot my example be set before ye judge them as true Christians. 'Cause I've often telled ye afore, and new I tell ye again, we ma een all begruttin, and there's money at our face o' a stake o' a Nitatin. They're heedin for a crock o' nation. They're Almighty's their ain guts. They're proud of fit they should be affronted to, and all they care about is fit is in this world. We whosomever are a folk o' heaven, and not far we look till for our Saviour, and Master Jesus and Nitatin. He'll change its weak mortal bodies, ours, and mock them like his ain wonderful body, be at poor, and his at mocks him a master o' all. Chapter 4. Say, my friends at I'm mongin to see, my joy, my croon, say ye are, stand steadfast in the Master, and mind on fu muckle alleluia. Eodia, and Syntax, a cry on ye to bury a hatchet, like guid Christians should. Aye, and to ye too, my guid all freen, help at women, at work it sair we ma for a guid send. And say too did Clement, and mony other friends, pa's names are in a book of life. Cheerio nu. On Mither wish ye all joy in the Meester. Laat me say it again. All joy in the Meester. Myth ye be goed-hearted to all at ye meet. En Meester's near at hand. Dinna worry yoursel about Nathan. In all ye do, speer at Almighty in your prayers for all your sicken. I, speerin wi a thankful heart, sign Almighty's peace, at's beyond all understanding, will talk tent o' your hearts, on your thoughts, through Jesus and Nitateen. And nu, my friends, all that's true, all that's honest, all that's just, all that's pure, all that's bonny, all that's honorable, at's fit ye maun fill your thoughts wi. Aka same way as you've seen me doin', and on fit you've learnt from me, and on fit I've tell't ya, and Almighty's peace will be wi' ya. I'm fair shooted at after all is time, in the Meester, your eye spearin' after ma. I'm nae sayin' ye warna carin' aboot ma, it's just ye didna get the chance to speer. I dinna mean to say I'm needin' onything, 'cause I've learnt to be contented wi' fit I've got. I ken fit it is to wint, and fit it is to hae ower muckle. I've hid my ups and downs, and ken nu fu to face them baith. I fu to be full, and fu to gang hungry. But I can face onything wi a poor or a Nitateen inoma. Nevertheless, it was guid o' ye to talk a part o' my tribbles. I dinna need to tell ye, you Philippian chiels, in the early days of the guid send, when I was hodding out to Macedonia, you were the only Doric accordings to help ma, talking wi ma in my gin and my talking. Even when I was in Thessalonica, ye helped ma out. Nae just the eens, but twice times. It's nae just the value of it ye gied ma am teen wi. It's a reward until come to youins, 'cause of the presents ye gied ma. But nu, of all I'm sickin' and mair. In fact, I'm guy weel off. I'm fitter contented wi mysel, thanks to your presents at I got through Epaphroditus. They're like a sweet-scented offering to Almighty, a sacrifice that's accepted and pleases Him. My Almighty will supply all your wants for His bountiful grace in Jesus and Nitateen. To Almighty and our Father be a stem for I. Say be it. Till all Almighty's folk I was spearing for them, and say are a Doric accordings folk at our Weema anew. All Almighty's folk here send ye all a best, maist o' all, them at working for Caesar. And mercy o' our Master Jesus and Nitateen be wi ye all. And that concludes Paul's letter to the Philippians. Be sure to get yourself a copy of the Doric New Testament written by Gordan M Hay, available through Doric Books. You find the link below. Until next time, be encouraged, be of good cheer, and endure to the end.